Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the mounting point and tools so installation is efficient. Measure from the ceiling to the top of the mattress and mark the center line. This ensures the net will hang symmetrically. Once marked, install a secure anchor. Use an eye bolt into a joist or a heavy-duty hook rated for 10+ kg. Make sure to wear gloves and use a ladder safely. Once the anchor is fixed, thread the suspension cord through the net's loop so the net is ready to hoist. Now you connect the net to the anchor and tune its coverage. Clip the net loop to the hook or secure with a 1/2 hitch knot so you can adjust tension. A carabiner works well for quick changes. Once lifted, spread the net evenly around the mattress, making sure the seams and doorway face your intended access side. Make sure to tuck the lower edges under the mattress or weigh them down. This prevents gaps and keeps insects from entering while you sleep. Finish by testing the net under real use and checking durability. You should crawl inside and close the access point, then sit up and move to ensure no gaps open. This verifies the seal and mobility. Once satisfied, trim excess cord and tuck knots away, and inspect the anchor and net fabric monthly for frays or loosening. If you find gaps or sagging, add clips or a second tie to reseal immediately. This simple fix restores protection without full reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.